Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing very well. So how is your quarantine going on? I hope you are learning something new. Okay, so on that note, let's start today's video. So in this video we are going to take that component which we have discussed in the yesterday's video or previous video, and we are going to use in our app today. Alright, so yesterday we have discussed about the text view, the button and the image view. So we are going to take that and we are going to convert it into a basic login app. So we are going to build today a basic login app. So I will be telling you the code, and today we are going to do interesting part. Yeah, of course, today we are going to code that. So I will be telling you that. Alright, and we will be creating our next app and first login app. So it will be basic login app. So what we are going to do is we are just going to take the input from the user and we are just going to display a message. That's all we are going to do in this video, and we will be coding that. Alright, and if you have any queries, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can go and follow my page on Instagram, or else you can comment down below. I will read that also for sure. Hey guys, yesterday we have discussed about text field, button and image view. So we are going to use that into our app today, and we will be developing the basic login app in our video today. So our agenda is to build a basic login app, and we will like what we are going to do in this app is we will be taking the input from the user. Alright, let me say some name or something or email, and we will be displaying the message. Alright, let me say my name is Shrikant, so I will take the input from the user. I will give the input, that is Shrikant, and we will be displaying the message, hi Shrikant. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in this video. So I guess yesterday, if you are following me, if you followed me yesterday, we had created the basic interface. We had took the two text fields and a button. Alright, and if you didn't, no problem, I am going to show it again. So just in the left hand side you can see the palette over here. Alright, so in the palette you can go on text. In the text you can see the plain text. So take the plain text and drop it onto your screen and align it to center the way I did. Align it to center. You can see the 4 major dots over here. So take that major dot and align it to the center. So just take the major dot and pull it up. Take this and pull it into side. This also in the side and this down. So when you will do this, so what happens is it will align it to center, and the same way align this to this, means align the next text field to the first text field, and align the next button to the second text field. In the same way you can do this. Alright, after dragging and dropping, what you can do is just come over here. Okay, and here in the right hand side corner you can see the word called attributes. So these are the attributes of the text field. So we are going to change the attributes of the text field. So give the ID as user. Okay, user, because this is like you can give the ID whatever you want, but you should know the ID what you are giving, because we are going to code with that ID, and that ID is very important. So in this video you can give the same what I am giving, that is user. And I have told you about the hint yesterday. So hint, what does hint do is it makes your app interactive, like for example email login page or Facebook login page. So there you can see that they give, right, enter your email, enter your name, enter your password. So same way we are also giving. So what happen is when the user will come, so it automatically get off. It gets off and user can give his input. Okay, alright, now come down. After coming down you can see so many options over here. Alright, nothing to do with that, just the basic things, the ID and the hint what you are giving. Alright, and the input we will take from user. Alright, and in this second thing, that is second password field, in this password what happens is whatever the user give the input, it automatically convert into password, means that bold black circles which automatically comes. So it automatically comes, no issue with, like we don't have to do anything with that. So this is the thing which Android Studio gives, so no issue with that. We don't have to do anything, just we can draw or take the password and drop it over here. Alright, so it's the same thing you have to do. Come over here in the right hand side you can see the attribute. In attribute give the ID as password, P capital, and hint as enter your password, and that's all. Okay, Now come on to the constraint layout. Constraint layout means, in the sense, you can click on the background, so it will automatically come to constraint layout, or else you can do one more thing. You can go on to right hand side and you can see here constraint layout. Just go and click on that. Alright, after clicking that, see here the attribute will automatically be changed to constraint layout. No need to give any ID to constraint layout. Alright, nothing to do with that. Just I want to change the background of this because it is white and it is like not giving me that good look. So I told you to come on to attribute. So when you will come on to attribute, here you can see so many things. You don't have to change anything. I was telling about background, right? So just go over here, you can see background. Yeah, so here you can do two things. Basically you can upload the image, or else you can change the color. So I don't want to upload the image, so I will take the color option from here and I will set to some good vibrant color. Alright, so we did this. So see, the background is changed now. Now come to this text field, first text field, and you can also give the background to this one as well. Okay, you can give any background you like. Whatever color you like. See, I'm not good with colors, so any color what do you like you can give. What should we give? Let me check what are the good colors, vibrant colors. You can also upload any photo. What do you want? That will be also very good in this. Let me go with yellow. Yellow dirty fellow. Alright, sorry, my mistake. Come to this yellow, change it to the seek. Yeah. Alright, come down. Now same you can do with this. Change the background with the second text field. Okay, this all thing you can do as per your wish. Okay, you can change any color. Do you want any color? What do you like, or what is your favorite color? You can apply over there. I'm just okay, it's a bit dark. No, we have to make it a little bit light. Make sure that you keep the same color, because if it will be different color, it won't be good. Like, it would be looking very odd. Okay, I'm sorry. Now yeah, come to login now. Okay, so we have did this thing. Now you can come on to login. In the login, you can change the background, whatever you like. Alright, I will change the background. Okay, I guess this is good. Alright, so our login page will look like this. You can take any color. What do you want? See, I just took any color. Okay, it's not looking that good, but what color you like, you can take that. Okay, now come on to login. Okay, in login you have to give the ID as click, and I am going to tell some important point today. That is, in the search bar you can see on click. Okay, on click is nothing but whenever you click the button, what the action the button should perform. So give this as clickFunction, C in lowercase and F in uppercase, clickFunction. Alright, so we are ready to code now. This is the basic thing we did. Okay, come guys, now we are all set to code. Okay, so before coding, let's come and check this at the XML file, what the ID and what the text we have given. So for the first text field we have given the ID as an user. For the next we have given as password P capital, and for the button we have did click function, and okay, our click function we have given on the on click. Alright, now come to MainActivity.Java. Now the important part starts. Now the coding starts. So I have explained you this code which is already inbuilt code, or which is already written code. So you can check out that. I have explained it in the first or second video. You can go. I will mention the link in the description box below. Now let's start coding of this app which we are going to make. Okay, so let's start the coding. So write down public click function, F capital FUNCTI1 function view. Alright, so sorry, public void we have to give because it's function, right? Okay, so void function public means it is an access specifier and it can be accessed by anyone. Okay, void is nothing but it is not retaining anything. Okay, it's a function. Click function we have given as we assigned it to the onClick function. So whenever the button is pressed, what the button should perform, like what action it should perform. All right, and view is generating view and it's the variable of the view, this one. All right, now inside this write down edit text is equals to edit text user. So edit text, we have using text over there, right? So we are taking that edit text and user is nothing but the ID which we have given to that edit text. Now write down edit text find view by id R.id.User. So what we are doing is edit text is nothing but the text which we have used in the XML file, and the user is the ID or the variable for that edit text, and we are all converting, we just want the user input. So we are taking the input in the edit text as it is in the form of edit text, so we are taking in the form of edit text only. Find view by id R.id.User. So in that XML file, from that all resources, where is that user, we want to take the input, right? So find view by id, so id is nothing but user, R.id.User in the bracket we have written, right? So find view by id, we are finding that view what we want by its id from that resource, so we are using that. All right, don't worry, this is bit confusing, I know. I will explain you because in the next next coming videos we are going to discuss about Java in deep, so no worry with that. All right, now same you can do for the password. It's not necessary to do for password because only we are going to take the input, but we are not going to display it. All right, okay, so now we have to display that message, right? So write down toast. Toast is nothing but it is a function. You have seen the toasters, right? So what happens is when we put bread inside the toast, it comes out like pop, like it pops out, right, when it get baked. So write down toast dot make text, we are making the text, right? And in the make text write down main M capital main activity.this. So we have to find that edit text in which we have to display the message. Means in the edit text the user is going to input, like he is going to write something and we want, and where is that? It is in the main activity. So main activity is what? Main activity is a class. I know it's very confusing, I can understand, but don't worry. And what we have to write, we have to display the message hi, right? Hi. Okay, so I am writing hi, and then I am writing hi inside a semi like colons. In the colons place I am adding it. Now just a second, I will explain you what I am doing here. User.getText. Alright, so I am writing this is inverted colons because this is the string, and string is always written in the colons, and I am concatenating it, means I am adding the strings. Alright, and what we are doing is we are getting the text from the user, so user.getText. Alright, this is understandable. Now toString, and we are setting that to toString. Also you can put exclamation mark here, now comma toast dot length. Okay, this is no use, it written length, so no need to explain that. After that dot show, and we have to show it, right? So we are displaying it. All right, so we have coded it. Now it's time to build the app. So at the top here you can see this thing, so you can go and press it. Before that, connect your mobile and see that your mobile is on. I told you in the first video that how to do this, and turn on USB debugging so that you can